So these are some of the features of Windows 11. So if I want to change this wallpaper here, all I have to do is right click anywhere in the desktop, click on personalize, and there are some options here. So I can scroll down, I can choose any one that I want. So when I scroll down, there are some more options here. For example, background. When I click on that, I can add my own pictures here and place it in the background. I can create a slideshow, change the color to solid, click on the back arrow here. There's also colors, and there's light, there's dark, custom, there's all these effects here. So another feature in Windows 11 is a dictate, and this dictate has auto correction on it. So I'm going to click on the search. I'm going to open Notepad. It's already here. So to enable the dictate, all I have to do is hold the Windows key and the H key together. Now there's a settings gear icon here. When I click on that, I have auto punctuation and it's enabled. So I'm going to test it now. So it auto punctuates while you speak. How are you? Today is Friday. So as you can see, a question, I said how are you, and it automatically placed a question mark here and a full stop here. So this is a great feature in Windows 11. So on the taskbar, there's a add desktop icon here, and I can add more desktop. This is desktop 1. I can add desktop 2 just by clicking the plus. I can add more desktop here. Now the icons on the taskbar, as you can see, most of the apps here are on the middle. And as you can see here, the start menu is in the middle by default, and the rest of the icons here are more centered. And to adjust that, I just need to right click on the taskbar here, click on taskbar settings. Now here I can see all of these icons on the taskbar here, and I can turn them off here. Now on the taskbar behaviors, I'll click on it, and it says taskbar alignment, and right now it's in the center. And when I click on this drop down, I can click on left and everything moves to the left. I'll leave it at the center. So I'm going to click on the start menu here, and there's a whole list of apps here. I can click more, click on the back button. When I click on all apps, I can see a list of software and apps that are installed in my computer. Now on the right side, this is the power button, and when I click on it, I can restart and shut down here. So another feature in Microsoft Windows 11 is the Snap Windows feature. So I have a web page open here, and on the right side I have the minimize here, and when I move the mouse to the next option, I get these snap windows here, and I can choose any one of these. So if, for example, I choose this one, this is how it shows, two windows side by side. And You can choose the 4 options or this option. So this is how snap windows work. Now if the snap windows don't work, you have to enable it. So to enable it, you want to go to settings. So I'll go to the start menu, click on settings, and you want to scroll down, click on multitasking, and it's here, snap windows. So you can turn this off, you can turn it on back. So there's also the new Microsoft store, and to access that, just click on the start menu, and if you don't see it here, you can just type it in the search. I'm going to click on it, and you can scroll down and there's a whole list of apps here. There's the Microsoft 365 apps here. There's games, there's more apps. You on the left side, just click on the icon. There's gaming, and there's entertainment, and Microsoft Windows 11 will work with Android apps. So Microsoft has made it easier to download and to run apps from different companies like Amazon. So on the taskbar, there's a Teams icon here. Click on that, and you can chat, you can meet. When I click on the chat, I have all these options here. I can click on the format icon. I can attach file. There's emojis here, a whole list of them. There's a poll here that you can add that also here. So I have a document here. It's a Microsoft Word document, and when I right click the document, I can cut, I can paste, I can rename the file here, I can share it, and this is where I can delete it also. I have all these options here, but when I click on show more options, I get this whole list in Windows 11. But when I click on the search icon here, I can access the control panel. So Windows 11 still has the control panel. There's also the snippet tool. So I just type snip. So the snipping tool is still there. So I can add some more icons on my desktop. So I can just right click anywhere in the desktop. I go to personalize, scroll down, click on Teams, click on desktop icon settings. So these are the desktop icons that I can place on my desktop. So I'll click computer, user files, recycle bin, control panel, click apply, click OK, and it's here. Now when I open this PC, I can see my drives here. If I have a USB, it will show up here. This is my main Windows C drive. So these are some of the features in Windows 11. There are many more features, and so far it's a great Windows operating system. I really like it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching, and I ask you to subscribe.